So what do we have here? Well, it just came off the printer. It's a brand new Bamboo Labs X2D, and oh, listen to that snap. Isn't that satisfying? So, well, we'll just see how it works, see if they pop off. Oh wow, look at that. And the support pops off, and wow, so does the other support. And there we go. What do we have here? Well, let's see if these two pieces will go together. And look at that. They do. Presto changeo. That is a beautiful little pill case, like for Advil or your favorite aspirin or whatever. So that's printed in PETG. And yeah, pretty cool. First time to try it. I can't take credit for this. Found it on Maker World, but yeah, really quick. Looks nice. This was printed with the auxiliary nozzle. That's the external spool, and this was printed on the main nozzle. So very little, actually, like hardly any filament waste. And there you go. Looks nice, and screws together. So there you go, kind of cool.